Proverbs is a book in the Bible that is known for its wisdom and practical advice. Here are some of the best verses from the Book of Proverbs. Proverbs 3:5-6, Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding, in all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight. Proverbs 16:3, Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and he will establish your plans. Proverbs 17:17, A friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for a time of adversity. Proverbs 18:10, The name of the Lord is a fortified tower, the righteous run to it and are safe. Proverbs 22:6, Start children off on the way they should go, and even when they are old they will not turn from it. Proverbs 27:17, As iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another. Proverbs 31:25, She is clothed with strength and dignity, she can laugh at the days to come. Proverbs 15:1, A gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. Proverbs 12:18, The words of the reckless pierce like swords, but the tongue of the wise brings healing. Proverbs 19:21, Many are the plans in a person's heart, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails. These verses offer wisdom and guidance for various aspects of life, such as trust, friendship, parenting, speech, and seeking God's guidance.